are. It's Tuesday, the 8th of September, and the Red Cup Club has done it again. I want to take you over here and show you a few little things that we've come up with for the Beast. We have made a little paper body for it, which is what we do, and then we figure out what works and what doesn't work. This is something that we did probably 10 years ago by Tommy Hilborn. I had him do this for me, and we never used it. And this time we're going to use it. This will get a small little capping, and this will go over it. And this will all be kind of cool in there. The oilers, this is for the oilers. There's one on the other side, and they'll all be pumped in, so they will automatically oil our chain. Done a lot of little interesting things. So you can see how the firewall is going to be. And this, how we repurpose things, I just want to show you. These came from a friend of mine in Pennsylvania. I'll modify this. That's what will go over and hide the front motor mount. So anyhow, we'll show you. And we thought we might make this a step over on the driver's side, but when I put it together, it said, no, I want a door. So from here back to here will be a door. So that's it for that. Now, let me take you around and show you what happened. We went to the Auburn Duesenberg Museum. Andy Stone, who was a patron there, took us over, and I gotta tell you, I was gobsmacked. It was the most amazing place I've ever been in. I was totally inundated with Auburn's Duesenbergs, and they're the finest automobile in the world. This is the original factory building and everything else. Andreas and I just went wild. We knocked up our cowling. This is where the bonnet's going to be, the hood here. Down here, which is 17.5 inches, is your rectangle. That'll be the bottom. We, of course, will feature our fan steering. We're mocking up everything right now just so you can see how it's starting to be. You're making it out of paper first. As soon as that's done, we do it in metal. It's going to be a boat tail. What a shock, I suppose. But it's going to be quite different than most other boat tails. Take a look at this. This was originally a Rio truck, and it's a very long chassis. So it's a very awkward kind of a car to build the body for. But we're going to do it. This will come up like so, and we'll have access door here. And whatever it tells us to do, we're going to do. But I just wanted to show you that it is coming together, and we're extremely happy to be able to do it and to salvage these cars. And there's Andreas, who does the yeoman work and the heavy stuff. I just play with the other crazy stuff. But anyway, look at this, and put it in your mind's eye, because in another week or a few days, it'll be improved on. So thank you, and talk to you soon. You have a great week.